floor and flood. Now that I moved all that stuff out of there, I've got to figure out now how to situate his room. Oh, just organized his room a couple days ago, so this made it like, I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see. I started by putting like art supplies. Oh, what the hell would they put a ball in here? I put art supplies and stuff in here, so that'll be like art supplies, unless it could fit into something more shallow. Some of these are all of a sudden like wasted space. That's the only problem with like, oh God, him and his dad did stupid stuff yesterday. That is good. Okay, so that's smart. Got monster trucks up there, which is smart. That's pretty good. Okay, empty. This shouldn't be in there, so that's just wrong. That's empty. Still have to get new liners. And then this is just a junk drawer, I guess. Oh, Brian leaves scissors in the child's room. Good, smart. No junk drawer. Okay, we'll figure it out. How did they even separate? Does it need to be separated? I guess. Whatever. It's fine. I like the liners are really nice. Pain in the butt. Okay, let's figure this out. Felix has my phone. Yeah, we gotta find this. Oh, this is the worst. Mommy doesn't like things that make noise. Ugh. Felix, Felix. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. You can.
What's he going to do?
Trying to grab the drain. He's asking you to get in. What are you gonna say, Graham? Oh, he wants you to be in with him. Aww. Say hello, handsome. Huh? Where are you going? Mr. Handsome. Whoa. Whoa.
Have a bite.
It's yummy, isn't it? So cute. Corn's good. You want some water?
You're just a normal little boy now. Corn and water.
Good. Yeah, that water comes out really fast, buddy. And it spills out.
Just reach for and drink drink yourself.
I know. What do you think, Claddy Pie? You want corn too, huh?